My name is Danielle.
My name is Cassidy.
We love you, Glama!
Oh, I love you too, Glama girls. Hey guys, Glama here. Welcome back. So this is just a quick, short video. As you can see, I'm in even another different room. So I wanted to kind of update you guys on what's going on because I filmed in my new beauty room downstairs one time and one time only, and that's the video that I just uploaded yesterday. And that's the last time I got to film in that room. And now I'm upstairs in what was supposed to be my Glama girls' rooms if they decided to move in. And my son and daughter-in-law did move in. And so we've got Gavin here with us, we've got Zoe here with us, and we've got the older Glama girls here every other weekend when they're here with their dad. And my son opted, instead of taking 3 rooms up here, he decided to take the 2 rooms downstairs because there's a bathroom very convenient for them. It's kind of like they have their own little wing of the house downstairs. So I am making this my beauty room now, and I still have a lot to do. I have to get curtains put up, curtains over here. I haven't decided if I want this there or if I want to put it in front of the window like I usually have. I have stuff on the floor. Maybe I'll get my phone and I'll show you what I've got going so far. This is a much bigger room, so I'm going to have a lot more room for my beauty videos as well as my crochet videos. So yeah, I'll show you around here in a minute. I'll stop this in a second and I'll get my cell phone and I'll take a little bit of footage and I'll insert that here. I'm sorry I look kind of bad. I just got back from Walmart, bought a bunch of stuff, and I've got oil in my hair because ever since I dyed my hair silver, I had to dye it so many times to get my dark hair out. So it kind of dried my hair on the end, so I cut it. And then I cut it a couple more times thinking, you know what, the shorter I make it, the healthier it'll get faster. But the ends are still a little bit dry, so I went and bought, it's by Palmer's, and it's coconut oil formula. It says coconut oil hair polisher serum for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. This is what it looks like. And I also bought this. It's, let me see, it's Luster's Pink, and it's also a glosser. This I'll be using like right before I straighten my hair with the hair straightener to protect it from the heat and to give it some shine. But this I have in my hair right now because I'm gonna wash it later. I'll probably wash it tomorrow. I'll probably go to bed with it like this. I put oil mostly like this, and then I put it on the ends of my hair, and then I kind of ran my fingers through the rest of my hair with what was left on my fingers. But yeah, I'm trying to condition my hair, get it healthier, and I know that coconut oil is really good for that. So anyway, just wanted to kind of update y'all on what's going on in our lives. So there are 10 of us living here, so it's awesome that we have the room, and that's why we got the house that we got with 7 bedrooms. It's like 4,604 square feet, I believe. So yay, that's exactly why we got it, in case any of the family ever wanted to move in with us. So yeah, awesome. It's gonna be so cool having all my grandbabies here every day. So all right, I'm gonna get my cell phone and I'll kind of show you what's going on. I probably could have put this stuff away before I started filming, but anyway, I'll show you the finished product maybe in a week or so, or maybe sooner, because I need to start filming beauty videos again for y'all. And I've got so many videos that I want to do for y'all. Remember these lip plumpers? I still have them. I'm going to do them, I promise. I have so many other products that I've bought that I want to show y'all. I want to do some unboxings and stuff. I bought some jewelry that I want to show you. I got Wonder Brow that's been going around social media for like a year or 2 now. So I finally got some because it was on steals and deals, and so I got it slashed in half. So yay, I can't wait to try that. So all right, I'm gonna get my cell phone. I'm gonna shut this one off and show you around, and then I'll come back and say goodbye on this camera. All right. All right, so this is the room that I'm talking about. Let me back up a little bit. So that's my daughter's room. That was going to be the girls' room, and that was going to be Daniel and Jemmy's room, but that's the weight room. Let me take you in there for a second, show you the weight room. Here's the weight room. So this is where I use the treadmill every morning, and I do exercises on this, and then I get on the floor right here and I do my floor exercises while I watch TV. So yeah, and so there's that room, and over here's the bathroom. So let me come back down the hallway, and there's my new beauty room, but right across this way there's downstairs. Everything's kind of a mess, and that's our bedroom, and that's the theater room. So all right, let me show you in here. So I have to put this stuff away still. I want to paint those drawers instead of red. I want to paint them white. I have to put that stuff away. Okay, this is the stuff that I said I probably could have put away before I started this video, but oh well. I just don't feel like doing it right now. So there's that. You walk in. There's my IKEA drawers. At least I got that stuff up right there. I got my shoes and my handbags up. So this stuff that's on the floor is going to go in there. And I want to buy curtains for there, curtains for there. But I haven't decided if I like that thing there or if I want to move everything over there. So anyway. All right, whoops. Why did it get dark all of a sudden? Okay, there we go. So there's that. Here's more stuff on the floor that I need to put away. Right here. Yeah, what is it? This big old a big old shell, a mirror, and what's that? Oh, this is my 100,000 subscriber silver button that I got for my crochet channel, my Made with Love by Glama channel. I need to find out where to hang that. Need to figure out where to hang that, I mean. And yeah. My dog's food, because she's always with me no matter where I am. She's always with me. My futon there. There's where my desk is. Here's my makeup vanity. And my closet's bigger than the beauty room that I had downstairs, but it's messy too, so I need to organize all this. This is probably going to be my yarn room. And so yeah. And that's about it, guys. So I had just gotten that other one organized, and now I have to do it all over again. So I'm going to go to the other camera now. Okay, so you kind of have a look of what's going on here. It's a much bigger room, so that's awesome. Because I'm also going to probably do some floor exercises in here sometimes too, as well as in the weight room. But yeah, that's kind of what's been going on. There's 10 of us living here. This is exactly what this house was intended for, to have family and just, you know, be here for each other and love each other. And so I'm excited. I'm excited for what the future holds with all of us here. And I'm sure they're not going to be here forever. I think they probably only want to be here for about a year or so, but hey, that's exactly what I said this house was for. And it's really awesome that they get to do that right after Gavin was born. So we had the baby shower on Saturday, and then on Sunday they started moving in. So yay! And you should go to my daughter's YouTube channel. It's Finesse Strasberg. At the end of the video, I'll put a little icon here. It'll be Finesse's face, and if you click on that, it'll take you to her channel, and she's got Gavin's baby shower on there. It's the whole show. It's the whole shower. I think it's like, well, the shower lasted about 4 or 5 hours, but I think she took like an hour and a half of footage. So you kind of see everything and everyone that showed up and everything. So, alrighty guys, that's all I wanted to come on here and tell you. So I will talk to y'all later, okay? Don't forget how much I love you. Don't forget to love yourselves and everyone you come in contact with. Alright, bye!
Thank you for watching our Glama's channel.